Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? You're staring at this huge crossroads in your life, maybe with your career, and it feels like you're looking at a map with a dozen different roads and no signs. It's a lot. But what if you had a guide, someone to help you figure out which way to go?
So let's just dive right in with the big one, the question that's probably floating around in your head. What is your next step?
Maybe for you, it looks like this. You're thinking about the future, and that professional path forward is, well, a little fuzzy. If you're nodding right now, I get it. And you are definitely not the only one feeling that way. It's a massive decision. Or, hey, maybe you do have a goal. You know where you're going, but you're looking for that secret sauce, that extra boost to really crush it. Are you ready to level up not just your job, but your whole life and walk into 2025 feeling clear and totally confident? You know, when you boil it all down, it comes back to this one thing, right? Wanting to take charge, to be in the driver's seat of your own future and feel empowered instead of just swept along. So the question is, how do we actually make that happen? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. And this is where I get to introduce you to your new guide for that future, Lyfe Campus. So what is Lyfe Campus? The mission here is simple, but honestly, it's so powerful. It's all about giving you practical, real-world advice and resources. We're not talking about vague theories. We're talking about actual, tangible steps you can take to make your dreams happen. And this isn't just advice pulled out of thin air. It's all built on a super solid foundation of over 15 years of hands-on experience in guidance, coaching, career planning, you name it. That's a whole lot of expertise ready for you to tap into. So how does this work for you in the real world? Well, Lyfe Campus offers two main pathways. Let's talk about the first one, which we call the hands-on path. This is all about that one-on-one personalized career support. This is where things get really tailored to you. I mean, we're talking about getting expert help to make your CV pop so it actually gets seen, doing mock interviews so you walk into the real thing feeling cool and collected, and just getting personalized support that's all about your unique goals. Oh, and for anyone aiming for a legal career, there's even specialist guidance for that. And here's the best part. You can check it out with absolutely no risk. You can book a free 15-minute consultation to see exactly how this kind of direct support can help you start building the career you really, truly deserve. But look, I know life is busy. What if you need that expert advice, but on your own time? While you're on your commute, at the gym, whenever? Well, that brings us to the second pathway, guidance on the go. And this is so exciting because it's brand new. I am thrilled to officially introduce the Lyfe Campus podcast. Think of it as your weekly dose of guidance for success and fulfillment designed to fit right into your busy life. And we're not just talking about your 9 to 5. This podcast looks at the whole picture. Yeah, we'll dive into choosing the right career, but we'll also get into managing your money, taking care of your health, finding your purpose, even how to find affordable education options. It's about building a better life, not just a better career. You can go right now to your favorite podcast app and subscribe so you won't miss a thing when it launches. Okay, so we've got the one-on-one support and the on-the-go podcast. Feeling fired up? Ready to take that first step? Let me show you just how easy it is to get started. It really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you choose your path. Do you want that direct support, the weekly podcast insights, or hey, why not both? Second, get that expert guidance by booking your free consultation. And third, get those weekly insights delivered right to you by subscribing to the podcast. Easy, right? And here's all the info you need to do it right here in one place. The website is lyfecampus.com. You can send a message straight to WhatsApp. And of course, just search for the Lyfe Campus podcast wherever you listen. As we wrap things up, I just want to leave you with the idea that drives everything at Lyfe Campus. Reaching for the stars, helping you reach yours. Your future is right there, waiting for you. It's time to go get it.